Good morning and welcome to another episode of Trades on Display. We are EffinSimpleTrading. Today is August 31st. We'll be showing you our day trading activities in YM or Dow futures and NQ or NASDAQ futures. So without further ado, let's get started. Market is open. It's about 9:38, and right here we're gonna create our first box, our first area of resistance where we're going to be looking to short this NQ. The price is approaching our box, and I'm going to create a sell limit order with 10 contracts. I'm going to hover it above market, but when we get our criteria filled, we're going to drop it and see if we can enter in this trade. We are close to getting our rules of engagement filled, and as you guys can see, we are in this trade. I dropped the order. Our stop right now is at $44. I'm going to adjust our target here to $70 according to our strategy. After seeing a little bit of support levels around here, this trade has so far been giving us a little bit of back and forth, so I guess we gotta wait and see how it's gonna turn out. Excellent. So right now it moved about 2/3 of the way to our target. We're going to move the stop to break even +1, covering our commissions. So this trade is risk free at this point. And as you guys can see, it just got executed. So $700 in the profit. Just as we finished the last trade, we found an opportunity to go long right here. Let's see how this one turns out. So this is a very quick trade for us right here. We adjusted our stop to $45 and our target was at $75. And as you guys can see, this was a quick fill. So sometimes they pop up, we can take advantage. NASDAQ just keeps on giving us opportunities. Right here we found another resistance area where we might have a short entry. So as you guys can see, I created the order and I'm waiting for my entry criteria to be filled. I just dropped the order into the entry area, but it doesn't look like this price is coming back to take us. So I think I'm gonna have to cancel this order if it just doesn't come back. So in the previous one, the price went down without us. I guess we missed out, but sometimes it happens, guys. We're going to be looking at another opportunity right over here. I created the entry order to go short, sell limit 10 contracts. Just dropped it, waiting for the price to come back and catch us. Alright, so we are in this trade right now. I'm going to adjust my stop. First thing we do. Second, we make sure that our target is set accordingly to our strategy. Just gonna show you guys right here that our target, the distance from our entry to our target, is 5.5 points. So each point is worth $20 on the NASDAQ. So we are trying to get $110 right here on the target, and our stop is at 2 points, and that's $40. So we are risking $40 to get 110. We already have our stop at break even, and as you guys can see, about 4 of the contracts already got filled at our target, but the price retreated a little bit and now it pushed through. So when the price pushes through our target, that's when we can be sure that all of our contracts are filled. Sometimes when the price just touches the target, not all contracts will be filled when using a live account. So you have to wait for the price to push through. Alright guys, so our total right here before 11 o'clock is $25.50. That's $2,550 here on the NASDAQ. We didn't have any trades on the Dow futures, just on NASDAQ futures. So I wanted to thank all of you for checking out these episodes so far, especially this one. I know we got to set up a little bit differently, but the charts really don't matter. It's about the trades and about the trading plan, and make sure that we follow the plan. And that's what we want to show, that trading is simple. It doesn't have to be over complicated with unnecessary indicators and just robots and algorithms and all this. It just doesn't. It doesn't have to take all day either. So we just wanted to make sure that we show you guys our best, and yeah, we're gonna keep putting content out there. Be on the lookout for the live stream coming up in about a week or so, and that's gonna be great. You guys will be able to check us out during our morning trading hours. Thank you very much for watching today's episode. Hit that like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and remember guys, always keep it simple.